Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Job Search Good for You. Before starting the video, just wanted to apologize for not posting recently as I got stuck in some family issues. But I'm back now and super excited to share regular job updates. So in today's video, we'll review jobs related to data science domain. If you're already pursuing a data scientist course or you want to start a career as a fresher in this domain or you have already experienced in this domain, then this video is worth watching. इस वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किन लोकेशंस में जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द नेम ऑफ द कंपनीज, सैलरी दीज कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग एंड हाउ वी कैन अप्लाई फॉर दिस जॉब पोस्ट. And if you want to receive daily job notifications related to data science, data analytics, Power BI, SQL or Python developer role, then do not forget to subscribe this channel, follow my Instagram page and my Facebook page as well. और इन सभी सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स के लिंक्स भी मैंने अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिए हैं. डू चेक दैट. और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे उन सभी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स भी आपको मिल जाएंगे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आता है, जॉब्स आपके लिए हेल्पफुल हैं और अगर आप चाहते हैं आपको डेली बेसिस पे ऐसे जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते रहें, देन प्रेस द लाइक बटन एंड ऑल्सो शेयर दिस वीडियो टू योर नीडी फ्रेंड्स एज वेल. First company in the list is S&P GLOBal, hiring for data scientist for apprenticeship, experienced fresher. Job locations in Hyderabad, Bengaluru. Salary would be 2.5 to 3.2 lakhs per annum estimated. Education bachelor's degree in data science, computer science or related field. So if you are looking to start a career as a fresher in this domain or looking for any apprenticeship role, then you can apply for this job post. Key responsibilities: assist in data collection, cleaning and pre-processing, support the team in developing models and proof of concepts, research on latest AI ML technologies, contribute to data visualization and reporting efforts, and participate in team meeting and brainstorming sessions. So these are some key responsibilities you need to perform as a data scientist over here. Qualifications: bachelor's degree in data science, computer science, stats or related field, a strong familiarity with Python programming languages, a basic understanding of machine learning concepts and common frameworks, internship or project experience in data science, excellent communication skills, knowledge on the commodity market, that would be an added advantage. About S&P Global. So S&P Global is an American publicly traded corporation headquartered in Manhattan, New York. Its primary areas of business are financial information and analytics. And if you're interested for this job role, you can visit this link and you can apply for this job. Let's move to the second job. Company name is Seagate, hiring for data science intern, experienced fresher. Job location is in Pune. Salary would be attractive stipend. Education: bachelor's degree complete or in progress in relevant field, or master's degree in relevant field or equivalent experience. The role: we are seeking candidates for data science intern. The ideal candidates should have the ability to work with researchers and product team colleagues to push forward research agendas, being a team player in a collaborative and supportive environment with outstanding programming skills. Key skills and responsibilities: collaborate with program teams to evaluate and assure parts in complex system, design through systematic evaluation of reliability, availability and serviceability of hardware and software, complete internship project as per plan, understand and design details of the storage system, field reliability analytics, perform automation analytics and generate reports as per project requirements, and circuit analysis, risk evaluation and reliability modeling. Skills for the job role: electronic engineer with statistical and Python programming background, algorithms and data structure knowledge, a self-motivated, strong analytical skills and ability to quickly learn new tools and technologies. And experience includes electronics, statistical, SQL and Python. So if you have these key skills and you are also comfortable with roles and responsibilities, you can apply for this job post by clicking on this link, and this link is available in the description box of this video. Third company in the list is Orange Mantra, hiring for AI/ML engineer, experience 0 to 2 years. Job location is in Gurgaon. Salary will be discussed. Education: bachelor's degree in computer science, maths, economics, statistics, or equivalent experience. About the role: assist in developing machine learning models, conduct data pre-processing, feature engineering and data cleaning to ensure high quality input for model building, support in the implementation and development of AML solutions into product environments, and stay current on industry trends and best practices in data science. Knowledge, skills and abilities: currently pursuing bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, stats, mathematics or related field, strong analytical and problem solving skills, proficiency in Python programming languages such as Python, R or Java, excellent communication and team working skills, ability to work independently and manage multiple tasks simultaneously, and also you need to have excellent communication and team working skills. This is a fantastic opportunity for a recent graduate or current student looking to kickstart their career in data science. And if you're passionate about leveraging data to drive business decisions and eager to learn from industry experts, we encourage you to apply for this internship position. So this is an internship position. If you're looking for an internship position in Pune location, then you can apply for this job post, Pune and Gurgaon, sorry. And this is the link you need to click, and you can apply for this job post. Fourth company in the list is Express Automation Group, hiring for data scientist, NLP, experience 2 to 5 years, job locations in Noida, education degree in computer science, data science, engineering, mathematics, or related field. Salary will be competitive. Key responsibilities: collaborate in developing and enhancing NLP, RAG, and LLM related projects and ensuring their effectiveness and robustness. Proactive in gathering and understanding data and requirements for the projects. Conduct model evaluation using established metric and provide insights for model improvement. Confident is using fast API and Streamlit to create effective user-friendly interfaces and endpoints as needed. Technical skills for the job role: proficiency in Python with experience in fast API and Streamlit for a rapid prototyping, a strong foundation in NLP, Gen AI, language models, and retrieval augmentation generation. Also capable of building and evaluating AI and ML models and evaluate with metrics to assess model performance, sound knowledge of foundation ML and DL concepts, and demonstrated ability to collaborate with DevOps and other stakeholders for a smooth integration, testing, and deployment of AI applications. So these are some key responsibilities you need to perform as a data scientist over here. And if you have experience of at least 2 years in data science domain, you can apply for this job post. And this link is available in the description box of this video to apply. Third company in the list is JP Morgan, hiring for data scientist, experience 1 to 3 years, job locations in Bangalore, education bachelor's degree in data science, computer science, statistics, mathematics, or related field. Salary would be 5 to 8 lakhs per annum. Key responsibilities: analyze large and complex data sets to identify trends, patterns, and insights that drive business decisions. Develop and implement predictive models and machine learning algorithms to solve business problems. Create clear and compelling data visualizations to communicate findings and insights to stakeholders. Work collaboratively with cross-functional teams to understand business needs and translate them into data science solutions. And design and conduct experiments to test hypotheses and validate models. Qualifications for the job role: bachelor's degree in data science, computer science, stats, mathematics, or related field, programming skills in Python or R or a similar language, understanding data analysis and statistical modeling techniques, proficiency with machine learning frameworks such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, or Scikit-learn, strong problem solving skills with attention to detail, and you need to have experience with SQL and database management. And if you have these required skills, you are also comfortable with roles and responsibilities, job location, you can apply for this job post by clicking on this link. And this link is available in the description box of this video. Let's move to the sixth job. Company name is Empower Financing, hiring for data scientist intern, experience fresher, locations in Bangalore, education currently pursuing a bachelor's or master's degree in computer science or data science. Salary would be negotiable. Key responsibilities: creating MIS reports and analyzing, covering key metrics, concentrations, and stratifications on the loan portfolio, performing exploratory data analysis on specific business segments to develop risk management recommendations, reviewing performance of borrower support programs to identify opportunities for improvement, and preparing industry analysis to identify broader trends that affect Empower's loan portfolio. So these are some key responsibilities you need to perform as a data scientist intern over here. Required skills for the job role: if you are currently pursuing a bachelor's or master's degree in computer science or data science, you can apply for the job post. If you have prior experience or interest in R, Python, or any coding languages, then you are a good fit for the job role. Data programming and modeling skills required, and well organized, detail oriented, and ability to work well both independently and in a team environment. So if you have these required skills, you are also good to go with key responsibilities. Then you can apply for the job post by clicking on this link, and this link is available in the description box of this video to apply. Seventh company in the list is G Varnova, hiring for data scientists, experience 0 to 2 years, job locations in Bangalore, education bachelor's degree in computer science or STEM majors, science, technology, engineering, and math with basic experience. Salary will be discussed. Responsibilities: develop analytics within well-defined projects to address customer needs and opportunities, work alongside the data scientists, software developers, and engineers to translate algorithms into commercially viable projects and services. Work in technical teams in development, deployment, and application of applied analytics, predictive analytics, and prescriptive analytics. Perform exploratory and targeted data analysis using descriptive statistics and other methods. And also generate reports, annotated code, and other projects to artifacts to document, archives, and communicate your work and outcomes. Required skills for the job role: demonstrated skill in the use of one or more analytical software tools or languages, minimum Python or optional R, demonstrated skill at data cleansing, data quality assessment, and using analytics for data assessment, demonstrated skill in the use of applied analytics, descriptive statistics, and predictive analytics on industrial data sets, and also demonstrated awareness of using, applying, deploying Gen AI in industrial setting. If you're interested for the job role, you can visit this link and you can apply for this job opportunity. Eighth company in the list is Ramco, hiring for data scientist, experience 1 to 3 years, job locations in Chennai, education bachelor's, master's degree in the quantitative domain, statistics, computer science, mathematics, or engineering. Salary would be 4 to 7 lakhs per annum, that's estimated. Key responsibilities: build an in-depth understanding of the business domain and data source, extract and analyze data from databases, data warehouse to gain insights and discover trends and patterns, design and implement scalable analytical solutions, dashboards, AI, ML models in the Google Cloud environment, and train, test, and operationalize models for business use cases, integrated models within upstream and downstream business processes. Key skills: you need to have at least 1 year of experience for in data science with a focus of machine learning model development, proficiency in using TensorFlow, PyTorch, and other Python-based machine learning frameworks, a strong understanding of statistical concepts and experience with exploratory data analysis techniques, solid programming skills in Python for data manipulation, analysis, and visualization, knowledge of data pre-processing techniques and the ability to clean and transform data for model training, strong problem-solving skills and attention to detail, and exposure to transformers model applied to real-world problems. That's nice to have, but not mandatory. If you have required skills, you are also comfortable with job location, key responsibilities, then you can apply for the job post by clicking on this link, and this link you'll be getting in the description box of this video. Ninth company in the list is American Express, hiring for analysts for data science, experience 0 to 2 years, job locations in Gurgaon, education graduation in statistics, mathematics, economics, engineering, management, stipend would be best in the industry. Key responsibilities: support the creation of risk appetite metrics for the key reporting processes in AXP, track and monitor risk metrics to provide regular updates to senior management, collaborate effectively with all stakeholders and partners to ensure regulatory compliance and manage regulatory relationships and exams for safety and soundness related regulations. Also create, support, and manage the execution of the second line oversight framework for effective challenges to frontline processes and activities, and independently validate the accuracy, interpretation, and documentation of reporting instructions to ensure reporting requirements are met and appropriate data elements are captured and adhered to. Key skills: 0 to 2 years of experience in regulatory reporting, risk management, or similar role. Strong analytical skills, including a proving ability to translate complex and disparate information to develop and comprehensive and cohesive in conclusion of colleagues, business partners, and senior leaders. Ability to work independently and across a matrix organization, partnering with business partners, functional owners, capabilities, technologies team, and external vendors, and also proactive in identifying issues, delivering and escalating key findings, and advising on recommended solutions to correct issues or mitigate risk. And if you're interested for this job opportunity, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. 10th and final job of the day is for the company name NICE, hiring for data scientists, experience 1 to 2 years, job locations in Pune, education bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, or related field. Salary will be competitive. Key responsibilities: develop and implement innovative machine learning models that address critical challenges in financial crime, risk, and compliance. Be at the forefront of AI research and development, contributing to the company's leadership position in the industry. Integrate and connect AI solutions within stake external tools and services via secure APIs. Optimize data storage solutions and connections for scalable AI solutions. Key skills: at least 1+ years of experience working as a data scientist and data analyst. good applied statistical skills, including knowledge of test distributions, regression, supervised and unsupervised learning, proficiency in Python, and practical experience in its applications. Current experience as a hands-on data scientist, familiarity and/or experience with private and public cloud infrastructures and technologies such as AWS, and exposure to GenAI. So if you have these required skills, you are also comfortable with roles and responsibilities, job location, and if you have required experience as well, you can apply for this job post by clicking on this link. And this link you'll be getting in the description box of this video. So friends, these are 10 jobs of this week for the role of data scientist. So if you are actively searching for a job change as a data scientist, or you want to start a career as a data scientist as a fresher, or looking for an internship role, then you can review all the job opportunities. And do let me know your feedback in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to press the like button for regular job notifications. Thank you very much for watching the video.